Welcome to our channel where we explore the wonders of Pakistan. Today, we're taking you on a virtual journey to one of the most iconic landmarks in Lahore, the majestic Badshahi Mosque. The Badshahi Mosque is surrounded by several historical places, including Lahore Pakistan, Lahore Fort, Shahi Qila, and the Lahore Museum. Each of these sites offers a unique glimpse into the rich history and culture of the region. Built in 1673 during the Mughal-era, the Badshahi Mosque stands as a testament to the grandeur and architectural brilliance of that time. Commissioned by the 6th Mughal Emperor, Aurangzeb, the mosque is a blend of Persian, Islamic, and Mughal architectural styles, boasting intricate marble inlays and stunning calligraphy. One of the most striking features of the Badshahi Mosque is its massive courtyard, which can accommodate over 100,000 worshippers. Its 4 towering minarets dominate the skyline of Lahore, offering a breathtaking view of the city. Beyond its architectural splendor, the Badshahi Mosque holds immense cultural significance for the people of Pakistan. It serves as a place of worship, a symbol of national pride, and a popular tourist attraction, drawing visitors from around the world. Thank you for watching this video from Not Online Studio. We hope you enjoyed exploring the beauty of the Badshahi Mosque and other historical sites. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on Islamic history, nats, and spiritual insights. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum and Allah Hafiz.